super flexible. We are go with the flow people. I think Ron sort of aligned with how we wanted to do this, and Ron never pressured us to make a decision, and he was very supportive of the decision and the choice we were making, while still giving us all the information we needed to make those choices.
Yeah, one common feedback, like we have had 3 of our close friends or relatives who have worked with Ron, and the general feedback, the more important feedback, is that folks who don't like the realtor pushing them in any way, like Ron is your person, because he's very he would provide all the information but not meddle in the major decision process. So that's very important, right?
Yeah.
Like